Right, taking along on WWE World Wrestling Entertainment. This is SAFM and looking to take along on here. See, it's had a nice old move up this morning, a few dollars there. Okay, long there for 37.58 on this one. Just having a look on SAFM again. We're long for 37.58. Going to take half of this off quite soon, round about now. Okay, got out rather at 37.95 there, and we have actually continued to go up, which is good because we're still long for 500. I'm watching my old mate Apple, which is setting up nicely for a long. Okay, gone long 127.44. You can see we're not in profit yet. Apple is a difficult stock to trade. I said it before, I'll say it again. Opened up nicely here, no gap, just pretty much at yesterday's close. It's a very volatile stock, this one, loads and loads of volume, and you need to have conditions right really to make the most of this one. So although we're already down 10 cents there, I'm not unduly worried about that because the conditions are exactly right for this trade to work out. So we're long 1,000 on Apple. Okay, back on WWE, gonna have to close this one out. It was looking pretty good for a while there, we was in profit, but I'm gonna have to close this out for a 2 cent, 3 cent loss, something like that. Alright, just got a fill there at 18.66. So ended up with a 3 cent loss on that one, unfortunately. But there we go, that's how the quickie comes sometimes, and it can't win them all. Anyway, important thing is to keep the losses small, and really if I've been trading with normal trading interface, that wouldn't have turned into a loss. But unfortunately, using this particular package, which happens to be very handy for videoing with, it doesn't manage to stop for me. So 3 cent loss there. Okay, back on Apple, looking nicely in profit. Looking to take half of this off while it's still going up. Locking a little bit of profit. Alright, taking half off there at 128.07, which locks in, where are we, about 300, just over $300 profit there. So as I say, Apple moves very quickly, so it's always nice to lock in a little bit of profit as early as possible. Still long 500 anyway on that one. Okay, back to SAFM. A nice little run up. I do want to close out the remaining 500 at this point. So I've just gone out there at 38.33, which gave us another $375. Alright, back on Apple, still long 500, and it's although right now at this moment it's going up slightly, there's some stuff going on off the chart which is making me think that this move could be almost over. So looking to close out last 500. We're going to close out there. Right, got out 127.84. It's not brilliant. It was only another $200, but as I say, some stuff going on off the chart which is making me a bit nervous about that one. So quick summary for you. SAFM, we took off of 185. WWE took a $30 loss on that. Apple 315 on the first part, then 375 on the second part of SAFM, and 200 on the second part of Apple, for a total of what, about 1,075 in total for all of that lot. So quite disappointing really. Didn't really have enough time to do proper preparation before the market opened today, so that shows in the results. Missed some fabulous trades. Looking back, could have had DMND was a brilliant opportunity, but unfortunately, as I say, didn't have time to do full pre-market, and that one weren't on the radar until it was too late. Anyway, grand in the bank, better than a kick in the teeth. What, an hour's work, something like that. So I hope it's been useful to you, and I hope above all that it's shown that even though we're obviously living in some very uncertain times, and markets are in a bit of a state at the moment, that there's always plenty of opportunity around, and even if you don't do the preparation, there's still some money to be made. because there is just always so much opportunity in the stock market, and I think that's something that really marks the stock market out as being something quite different to the futures market. No matter what's going on in the world, there's always good opportunities to make some cash from stocks, and that's what it's all about at the end of the day. Alright, until the next time then, speak to you soon.